Hi everyone, welcome to the CodeTav management. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about the pre-order traversal in binary tree, and today we will discuss about the post-order traversal of binary tree. So we clearly have a basic idea of how post-order traversal works, and today we will see that in detail. So here you first start with the left subtree and consider that as another tree in itself. Okay, so you then have to apply the post order on this subtree. You then simply move to the right subtree and repeat the whole things again, considering this and another individual tree. And at the end, you have to visit the root node. Okay, so simply, first of all, you have to visit here the left subtree. Next, you have to go to the right subtree, and at last you have to visit the root. Like the previous, we here take an example like root is suppose 7, then left one is 1, then left of left is suppose 5, then right of it is 2, this is 6, and left and right both are null. Okay, so what is the post order traversal of it? So first one, we have to visit this left subtree. Okay, so in this case, we in the left subtree we have to visit the left one, so the 5. So first one we have to write down this 5. Okay, so then we have to go to the right part. Okay, so this is 2, so then 2, then we have to visit this root, so this is 1, so 5 to 1 completed. Then we have to go to the right subtree. So what is the right subtree? This one is the right subtree. So what is the left of this right subtree? This is null. What is the right of the right subtree? This is also null. What is the root of the right subtree? This is 6. So we will put the value as 6. And last we have to visit the root. So what is the root? This is 7. So this is our post order traversal of this tree. This is the post order traversal of it. Okay, so following what we did before, we wouldn't start from scratch creating the struct node and the create node function and everything. So we would do like the previous, like this is the create node and this is the struct node as previous one. And in the previous day, we have done this void pre-order function. So like the previous day, we have already constructed the root node using the function create node. Okay, so these are the 5 nodes P, P1, P2, P3, P4. Clear? And link them using the array operator, and altering them left and right pointer element like here. Okay, like the previous lecture. So now here this is the we called the pre-order function, and then print means a line, gap line, then post order. We call this post order function. So we have to create this void function post order and pass the pointer to the root node of the tree you want to traverse as the only parameter. And inside this function, check if the pointer is not null. Otherwise, we wouldn't do anything. If it is not null, we wouldn't directly print the data of the root, since this time it's the last one to get visited. So first you simply call the same function recursively on the left subtree, and then right subtree, and last root. So after so you just print the data element of this root. Okay, this part. Clear this part? So that's all. So we have done here, we have called here the pre-order and post-order to show you what is the difference between the pre-order and post-order result. Okay, as in the previous lecture we have already discussed about the pre-order traversal. So okay, run it. Sorry, what about this? Okay, now check it. Okay, this one, the pre-order is 71526. Okay, so what was the pre-order case? Root, left, right. Okay, so 7, then left part. What is the root? 1. Then what is the left of it? 5. Then what is the right of it? 2. And what is the right of the whole tree? 6. So the result was this one. And in the post order case, what is the formula? Left, right, root. Okay, so check left. What is the left one? This is, means this is the left subtree. And what is the left of left subtree? This is 5. Then what is the right of left subtree? This is 2. So this is 2. Then what is the root of this left subtree? This is 1. So this is 1. What is the right of this whole tree? 6. So this is 6. And last we have to visit the root node. This is 7. So this is the whole code, and we have discussed it twice. So you have to quick visit this code and you will practice this thing. I think this will be more clear to you and you will understand it if you will again revise it again. Okay, so do it and like, share, subscribe as much as possible, and many more videos will come. Bye for today.